Hello everyone, today let's talk about National Oil Seal. This product is a NAK oil seal. Look this. And the size is internal diameter is 70 and the external diameter is 90 and the sink is 7. This is a TC oil seal and the color is blue. This has with a spring. Look, this is a spring. And this product has the following features: with longer service life, good abrasion resistance, high temperature resistance, and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water, and skeleton, thickened skeleton and thickened spring. This is a spring and it's applicable to heavy truck and mechanical engineering equipment processing industry. This is a TC oil seal NAK. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.